Is your Xiaomi phone constantly saying storage full? Before you delete precious photos, try these 5 methods that freed 6 gigabytes on my Redmi Note 12 Pro. After all 5 methods, I went from critically low storage to gaining 6 gigabytes of free space. That's thousands more photos or several new games without losing anything important. The split screen shows my actual before and after results. I'll show you step by step. First, use Xiaomi's built-in cleaner. Open your security app. Tap the cleaner button. Tap clean up and see the wonders. This finds hidden cache and duplicate files that regular cleaning misses. This clears and removes unnecessary files. Secondly, messaging apps are storage killers. Open WhatsApp. Tap Settings, then Storage and Data. Tap Manage Storage. Here you can delete forwarded media and large files while keeping personal chats. I freed over 2 gigabytes here alone by removing old videos and documents. Number 3, install 4 files by Google if you don't have it. Open the app and tap. Then tap Clean. The magic is in junk files and duplicate files. It safely identifies what can be deleted without breaking your apps. This tool found cache even Xiaomi's cleaner missed. Method 4. Some apps hoard cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps. Tap heavy apps like Facebook, Chrome, or TikTok. Tap Clear Cache, not Clear Data. This removes temporary files without deleting your login, information, or personal data. If you use Google Photos, tap your profile picture. Go to Photo Settings, then Backup and Sync. Enable Storage Saver Quality. This compresses photos in the cloud while keeping originals on your phone until you manually delete them safely later. Try these steps and comment how much storage you freed. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Xiaomi optimization tips. Next video, speed up your Redmi phone by 200%.